Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word circulation. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The circulation of blood throughout the body is essential for maintaining a healthy heart and overall well-being. Circulation refers to the movement or flow of something, e.g., blood in the body, news in the media, throughout a system, often in a continuous manner. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.